Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri. I am Mirza Deshambeg, your quant educator, and today I am going to discuss something very important from your exam perspective. As you can see my title, look at this title. I've given you Ibps Clerk 2020 Quantitative Aptitude Strategy. Why quantitative aptitude strategy is more important than other subject strategy? Because this is your only subject in which you can score maximum. Why? So that's my point, that this is a scoring subject, and if you skip this subject, you might not be able to clear the overall exam. Why? Because you might have cleared the individual cutoff but not the overall cutoff, because you have seen the previous trend that individual cutoff is way below than the overall score. So my only point, so how can they get the overall score up to a very maximum level? They use the organized method. All right, so what I'm trying to say, that you have to have an organized method to clear this section efficiently. Why? Because every aspirant take will do up to a 20 plus question, that's for sure. Yes, some of them might not be able to clear, some of them might not be able to go beyond 20, but they will at least go their cutoff, but their other subjects might have stronged. So there were very few candidates, you should know that. Okay, so my point is that majority of the students will score highly in this subject, not in this only. Yeah, they will score in quant and reasoning both. Okay, but if you are going to compare these two subjects, quant will the students aspirants will get more marks in quants than reasoning. So today I am going to discuss something very important strategy, and if you put yourself in an organized situation, you will clear exam clearly, okay, efficiently. So let's move and let's discuss this. Let's discuss the strategy. Okay, here first of all you should know that we are going to discuss aptitude strategy and exam pattern. You should know that there you will be asked 35 questions from quantitative aptitude, 35 from reasoning, and 30 from English in the prelims examination. Okay, I have written only quantitative aptitude but told you the overall scenario as well. Why? Because you will be getting 60 minutes. Okay, you will be getting 60 minutes, 20 minutes each for individual subjects. That means you will be getting only 20 minutes for 35 questions. Okay, that means if you divide, you will be getting 7, that means 1 point something. Okay, 1.75. all right, 1.75. you should know that you have to work 1.75 per minute questions to achieve the 35 question target in 20 minutes. And let me make it very clear that don't think any of the cutoff situation, because you will be getting more higher side cutoff. You will be getting cutoff on higher side. Why? Because the vacancies, we have seen that at the moment the vacancies are 2557. Okay, initially when they announced the notification, we have seen that they had announced only 1557 vacancies, but sooner, after a couple of days, we have seen that 1000 vacancies has increased due to some bank reported quickly. Now we will see some more vacancies coming in the future and will add in this Ibps Clerk notification. Okay, but my point is in quantitative aptitude there were several questions asked on DI, number series. You can get new pattern inequality, which is seen in Q2 and Q1 form, quadratic equation, arithmetic, and one more thing I should add, simplification. Okay, so basically I consider the whole topic of quadratic equation, number series, approximation in simplification pattern. Look, you will be getting majority of the questions from here. So if you lose this section, you might not be able to score. What I'm trying to say is that this section belongs to your calculation speed. Okay, this section belongs to your calculation speed. So let's erase some of the things. That means simplification, if you want to clear simplification segment with ease, you will have to have accuracy and calculation. Why? If you have these two things, you will automatically generate speed in solving a particular question. So my point is that you can solve the simplification segment, which you will see 10 to 15 questions from this segment. So in 35 you will see 10 to 15 from this simplification segment. After that you will see majority of the questions from DI and arithmetic segments. I have written 12 questions, but you might get 10 to 12 questions. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is that you will be getting these two areas in major form. And one more thing you should understand, as we have seen the latest trend in RRB PO examination, that they had asked a DI which is based on 6 questions. A DI of 6 questions can be asked. So you should be aware that a 6 question DI can be asked in the examination, and they had focused only on 2 topics. One is the arithmetic portion and the second one is the DI portion. And you know as well that in RRB exam they had asked 40 questions, but now here you will be getting 35 questions. So what I'm trying to say is that they will reduce either simplification segment or arithmetic segment, because you will be getting 2 DI for sure. It's just a matter of time where you will see whether you will be getting 5 question DI or a 6 question DI. I believe what I'm seeing the latest trend, you will be getting 6 question DI. So the point is, if you're getting 6 question DI, that means your DI portion has to be strong. So start preparing with these scenarios and don't bother about the cutoff, because cutoff will go higher, that's for sure. It's an opportunity to go and score as well. After RRB clerical examination, I believe IBPS clerical examination is one of the easiest exam and also an important one to crack a IBPS pattern. Set priority. What are you going to set? First of all, you should know that you will be getting 3 kind of questions: easy, moderate and difficult. I would rather say not difficult but a lengthy one. Okay, you will prioritize your questions according to these modules. First you will have to solve easy, then moderate and then difficult or lengthy one. Where you will be getting easy, you will be getting simplification segment as easy, and moderate and difficult you can get both in terms of DI and arithmetic segment. In arithmetic segment, some of the questions you will be getting for sure, like the questions based on age, boat and stream, mensuration, time and work. You will be getting these you will be getting a questions from these topic, that's for sure. So start preparing, and whichever your strongest point, make them stronger. Okay, because you cannot afford to lose any of the fraction of second. So first you need to have accuracy, and then speed will come automatically. So if you have accuracy, you might be able to solve a question in within a fraction of time, because speed is nothing but a skipping of step. Okay, skipping steps is the speed, is the hidden trick for getting a speed. Analysis. Why analysis is important? If you're giving, look, first of all you should know that you have to give daily 2 mock from now onwards. Okay, one is in the morning and between morning and the second one is in evening, and between morning to evening you will analyze all the questions. Why analysis is important? Because you will be getting some of surprise questions as well in the mock. Now if you are solving regular questions efficiently, you might not be able to solve what non-regular questions. So what I'm going to say is you have to solve this non-regular question, which is a surprise question, within efficient time. Okay, within efficient time, and in between the analysis portion you will work on these sections efficiently. My point is that what I'm going to say is, what I'm trying to say is that if you analyze more, you might not get surprised in the examination. Because if you get surprised in the examination, you will stuck, and where you will stuck, time won't. Okay, so what I'm trying to say that examiners only motive is to make you stop on the surprise question. So if you have done your analysis efficiently, you might not be able to get stuck. Okay, so let's move on, and that's my analysis and that's my strategy for you. Just start preparing with all the plans and keep preparing for all the banking examinations, because soon SBI will definitely announce its vacancy. So don't lose hope, keep trying, best of luck, be safe, and have a good day. Till then, thank you.